Oh, gotta wipe this car. We might have chlamydia.
You guys join me today on a special day because he is picking up a brand new wrap. Look at him. He's all excited.
I'm picking up just the wrap, yeah. They're printing it out and I'm picking up the wrap.
Look at him.
What's up? Grind don't stop. I like that.
It's Josh Laurent. Oh wait, no, there he is.
Tight beat.
Are you excited to see his wrap?
I'm born ready. I am excited actually.
Have you seen it yet or no?
No.
This isn't a surprise. I have seen it, but he hasn't seen it fully completed yet. We'll get you guys' opinion. Let us know in the comments below if you like it or not. And we have arrived at PFS to pick up the Huracan.
Hey.
What's going on?
It's Logan.
What up?
Thanks.
What's going on?
I heard he's got a picture and I didn't.
Yeah.
That's alright, I said no.
Car. Oh, it looks good.
That does look good.
The back end, see, I'm glad we went all pink in the back. See, I didn't get to see that.
Yeah.
Hey,
More the car.
hey. It's so bright. I gotta put my sunglasses on.
You're not even outside.
I know.
Get out there.
Yeah, the wheels look perfect.
He's setting off all the alarms. Listen, bro, you set off all the alarms.
Bro, this thing's really loud.
My cleaning is gonna be so easy too.
Yeah.
He picks up a Lamborghini and he says cleaning.
I'm thinking about how, because I'm an OCD freak. Dude, it's
True.
hard being a clean freak. Dude, this is perfect. The back end, because when you're coming from behind, you're like, oh, it's a pink car.
Yep.
Oh, no, it's not.
It's definitely not a big car.
Dude, the wheels go well with the rest of the wrap.
Facts.
I'm gonna show you guys around Ryan's brand new wrap in 3, 2, 1.
I don't know how you're coming, but if you have those colors, bro, you might have chlamydia. Because I've had it and it looks like that.
Wait, what?
I'm glad the front end came like this.
Don't Google that. Do not Google that.
What, chlamydia?
Yeah.
So what do you guys think of Ryan's new wrap? I think it's cool. I likened it to a Jackson Pollock painting or a hotel room blacklight search. Don't look that up. But also, I really like the carbon fiber that he has on the hood here, because that matches the carbon fiber he has inside, and together I think it looks really good. He just needs a little bit of carbon fiber on the back, but overall, this design definitely stands out, and those BBS wheels that have been powder coated look absolutely fantastic. Ryan, I like your carbon because the interior carbon matches the outside. Looks good.
Yes, that's the goal.
You just need a little bit here. But either way, we got 2 guys with crazy Huracans. My turn next.
Facts.
No, bro, we can't have 3 Huracans.
Yeah, we can.
3 Huracans?
Coming soon.
Wait, should I get a Huracan?
Yeah, we can all roll together. His fucking greasy ass fingers, dude.
There's nothing even there. Look
Like
at it.
pizza fingers. Fucking sausage fingers.
Go
yeah,
look
look. Bro, look at this. Don't do a crime. Still Dutch for that shit.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. Oh my god, he stains it. Fucking meat hogs. Yeah, don't touch it there.
I knew he would react like that. Don't touch his car. If you see him in person, definitely don't touch it. Wait, how do I get in if I don't touch the wrap?
Just touch the fucking door. Wait, hold on. Let me open the door.
You're gonna open the door? Yeah. I use one finger. Like all the force. Not to mention it's straight pipe, it sounds wicked. Knee room for big guys though. It's fucking shit. Casual. What was that, 40, 45?
60.
I wrapped it. Hey, that looks like the Joker's car.
Call me Joker. You can get banged just going to fucking voodoo, huh? Hey, shut up, nerd. Get your fucking Tesla.
I want the bangs and I want the pops.
Oh, coming from the guy with the fucking completely silent. That's what it makes when you back up.
Freeze this fucking phase.
Oh. Sorry, John. Now I gotta wipe this car down.
Cut.
Sorry, John.
I'm gonna have to bleep that one out. Ryan's now jumped in Josh's Lamborghini because they're trying to compare the tune and the sound. It's the most LA thing you've ever heard, I know. So we are now back at the dyno that we were at the other day, and if you didn't check that video out, go and watch that. But we're back at the dyno because Ryan's getting his tune fixed again. You haven't heard this yet, have you? It's gonna be lit. It is loud, so if you guys have sensitive hearings, take your headphones out, put your fingers in your ears. I wasn't kidding.
I didn't have those last time.
You think that's better?
Better than the last tune, yeah. What do you think?
That is way better than last time. Way more bangy, way more poppy. That shit's loud, bro. So now, we have finished the tune for now at least. He's probably gonna come back and fix it, but we're off to the PCH to get this thing at golden hour. Look at that golden hour. That's hard.
That better make it in the video. This alley.
They're looking at us.
This is psych.
My shit doesn't get enough views. We're leaving that in.
I'm sending that to Adam.
Wow.
Oh,
Man,
yeah.
it would be really bad if she sees
Get
it
me
now.
driving off.
You gonna take it? Take it, take it, take it.
Are the lights on auto? Yeah. They're on auto? Yeah. Push park.
Park? No,
Yeah.
but how do you reverse it?
Bro, come on.
Just put it in park. Put it in park.
It's in park already.
No, it's not. It doesn't say N. That's not
It's
park.
in.
Put it in park.
It
The
is.
P. Now you're in park.
The
Get out.
parking brake is on.
No, unlock the car.
No.
This fucking guy.
He's like, it was in park, but the thing said B.
It's neutral and the parking brake is on, so it's park.
So what is park? If it has to say P, am I correct?
Listen,
Yeah.
listen. I've had one of these before.
That sounds good.
Tesla? Tesla. Ooh. He doesn't think that's loud enough. He's setting alarms off.
He wants the bangs and the pops.
It's not that loud, but it sounds really good. Like
Yeah.
it has good tone.
Listen, he's setting off all the fucking alarms. Come on. Was that better?
It needs more.
Sounds good. And now you're starting to blind it. So we made it to the PCH with dying hours of sunlight. The sun is fading right over there. We're gonna do these rollers real quick and then I'll show you the results, or TT will show you the results on his page of this beautiful thing. You ready to go, sir?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw this in the back before this shit falls out and crushes the
And
car.
kills you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button. It helps it out in the algorithm. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.